I got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 whole thoughts on the block. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Lionel Anzuri Clinton. You can call me Lionel. And what's your name?
My full name is Petrus Noel Edgar Wibowo. You can call me Noel.
I am 15. How old are you?
I am 15 too. I live in Jaten, Karanganyar. Where do you live? Maybe one day I can visit.
I live in Mojosongo, Surakarta, and my hobby is reading book and sport. What's your hobby?
My hobbies is swimming, and I dream of becoming a successful person. What's your dream?
Wow, that's a great dream. I have dream of being a rich man.
That's cool too. See you again, Lionel.
Okay, see you, Petrus.